Alright, I'm going to record me taking off the headlight switch in a 92 Ford Festiva. I don't know if I'm saying that right. Festiva, whatever. First of all, with taking off the headlight switch, you have to take off the steering wheel. And to take off the steering wheel, if your car is equipped with airbags, you have to first remove the battery terminals, which I would suggest anyway, whether you have airbags or not, so that the airbags won't accidentally discharge, and you should wait 2 minutes after removing them. So let's go ahead and take this off here. No worries, I pre-loosened them. They're not just like that. Okay, maybe this one's not loose yet. Alright, well, I'll take those off and then see inside the cabin. Alright, inside the cabin here, now that those battery cables are turned on, or disconnected. For models with a airbag, you should wait the 2 minutes, but mine does not have an airbag, I think. I hope. But it's definitely already been 2 minutes. And next step is, let's see, remove the 4 horn pad or airbag retaining screws on the back of the steering wheel. There are some screws here for the horn pads. That one doesn't feel like it has a screw in it. This one has a screw in it. Okay. Well, there's no screw in that one apparently. So, remove those, and we'll take next step. My one screw holding my steering wheel together behind this horn pad over here is off. Now, we just grab and pull. There's one wire connecting the horn pads together, right there. Just disconnect that. I don't have an airbag module at all, so that's good. Just put that over there. Okay, steering wheel retaining nut. This thing needs to get removed with some wrench that I probably am going to have to go get, because I don't have anything in my car bigger than that. But it says, unless it's already marked, make sure you mark... What? Mark the relationship of the steering wheel to the steering shaft. Oh, that's after I take it off. Okay, well, let's take this thing. Okay, now then, for me, this was a 21. I had to break loose. Make sure you hold on to the steering wheel. Okay, now then, where'd my page go? There we go. Sticky notes for the win. Remove the steering wheel nut, and it says mark the regulation of the steering wheel on the nut here. So we take our marker and then we mark it. Like so. Put that there. And we'll just as straight as you can. And I can't really because I'm holding a camera. But put that little line down in there. Okay. Use a puller if necessary to disconnect the wheel from the shaft. Okay, so now I get to try to pull this thing off of here. Well, I might not be able to do this one-handed. So, alright, steering wheel's off. Just kind of rocked off there. So this is our multifunction headlight switch. Some beady dealies and all kinds of stuff in here. Alright, let's take this thing off.